Imagine you go to sleep with a stable tech job and wake up to find an email sent at 6 a.m. saying you no longer are needed. No warning, no transition, just gone. It seems to have become a new norm in the tech industry, but can affect a person losing his job emotionally and financially. That exactly is what happened to thousands at Oracle Corporation. And it's not just about layoffs, it's about a much bigger shift that could redefine jobs in the tech industry, especially in India. So, what exactly is happening? Oracle, one of the world's biggest enterprise software companies, has started laying off thousands of employees globally, with reports suggesting up to 30,000 job cuts worldwide and as many as 10 to 12,000 in India alone. India is one of Oracle's largest workforce hubs, so naturally, the impact here is more significant. Employees across teams, from engineering to cloud to consulting, have been affected, often with immediate termination and system access cut within hours. But why is this happening? The answer lies in Oracle's aggressive pivot towards artificial intelligence and cloud computing. The company is investing billions of dollars into building AI-powered data centers and expanding its cloud infrastructure. This shift requires massive capital, and to free up that money, Oracle is cutting human jobs. In fact, these layoffs are essentially funding its AI ambitions. There is also a much deeper structural change underway. Oracle's traditional business, selling database software, is under pressure as AI transforms how companies are now operating. Many tasks that were once required a large team of people can now be automated using AI systems, making certain roles redundant. So this isn't just cost cutting, it's a clear signal that machines are beginning to replace human heavy workflows. At the same time, Oracle is facing intense competition in the cloud space from companies like Amazon, forcing it to scale up rapidly. That means investing heavily in infrastructure like data centers that can support AI workloads, something that is extremely expensive. So the company is now reallocating resources, less spending on people, more spending on machines. For India, this is a big deal. The country is a major tech talent hub, and thousands of high-skilled jobs are now at risk. More importantly, this is not just a one-off situation. If you have lived through 2025, you know it. As per an independent tracking platform, layoffs.fyi, the tech sector saw a huge scale job cut situation in 2025, with around 112,732 employees losing their jobs across 218 companies, and most of them were due to restructuring processes to adopt AI and automation. Major companies include Amazon and Intel, which reduced workforce as they reshaped their operations for an AI-driven future. And that brings us to the bigger picture. This isn't just about one company. It's about a future where companies may need fewer employees but more computing power, where efficiency is driven by algorithms, not by large teams, and where job roles are constantly evolving or disappearing altogether. The real question now is not just why these layoffs are happening, but who's next in the age of AI.